Day 2. Building confidence with simple conversations. Yesterday, in day 1, we started off strong with engaging activities like learning fun words, enjoying music, and getting creative. If you haven't watched the day 1 video yet, make sure to check it out first. The link is in the description. Once you've watched it, comment below. I'm ready to take this challenge. Let's keep the momentum going and make learning English fun and effective. Today, we're taking another exciting step, building confidence in simple conversations. Even if you only know a few words, you can start speaking and practicing right away. Remember, learning English is a journey, and every small step you take is progress. The focus today is to help you feel comfortable using basic conversational phrases in real-life situations. Whether you're introducing yourself, asking questions, or just saying hello, today's activities are designed to make you feel more confident speaking English. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Warm up with greetings. Let's begin by practicing common English greetings. These are the words you'll use every day when talking to others. Spend 10 minutes saying these sentences out loud. Hi, how are you? Good morning, how's it going? Hello, what's up? Stand in front of a mirror and say these phrases with a smile. Practice changing your tone based on different moods. For example, say, "Hi, how are you?" in a happy voice, then try it in a more formal tone. Don't worry about getting it perfect. The goal is to feel comfortable and natural when speaking. Step 2. Learn 5 conversational phrases. Next, let's add 5 simple conversational phrases to your toolkit. These are easy to use and great for starting conversations. What's your name? Use this to ask someone their name. My name is your name. Use this to introduce yourself. Nice to meet you. A polite way to greet someone new. Where are you from? A friendly question to learn about someone's background. I'm from your country. Use this to share where you're from. Write these phrases in your notebook and repeat them several times. Try pairing them together into a mini conversation. Hi, what's your name? My name is your name. Nice to meet you. These phrases are the foundation of everyday conversations, so practice them until they feel easy. Step 3. Role play a conversation. Now it's time to put your new phrases into action. Spend 15 minutes practicing a simple conversation. Here's an example. Person 1. Hi, what's your name? Person 2. My name is Anna. What's your name? Person 1. My name is John. Nice to meet you. Person 2. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? Person 1. I'm from Brazil. Where are you from? Person 2. I'm from Canada. If you have a friend, practice this dialogue together. If not, you can role play both parts by yourself. Speak out loud and don't worry about sounding perfect. The more you practice, the easier it will become. Step 4. Watch and repeat. Find a short English video with simple conversations. You can watch something fun and engaging like a cartoon, a vlog, or an English lesson on YouTube. Good channels include BBC Learning English and English Addict with Mr. Steve. Spend 15 minutes watching the video. First, listen to the conversation. Then, watch it again and repeat what the speakers say. Focus on their pronunciation and try to match their tone and rhythm. You can pause the video to practice each line. This step helps you get comfortable with how English sounds in real life. Step 5. Add 5 new words to your vocabulary journal. Every day is a chance to grow your vocabulary. Add 5 new words from today's activities to your journal. Here are some suggestions. Meet. To come together with someone. From. Showing the place where someone was born or lives. Name. The word people use to identify you. Country. A nation, like Canada or Brazil. Nice. Pleasant or friendly. For each word, write its meaning, a sentence using it, and draw a picture if you like. For example, word nice, meaning pleasant or friendly. Sentence, it's nice to meet you. Picture, a smiling face. This creative activity makes learning fun and helps you remember new words more easily. Step 6. Reflect and write. At the end of the day, take 10 minutes to reflect on what you learned. Write a short diary entry in English. Here's an example. Today I practiced greetings and learned phrases like, "What's your name?" I role-played a conversation and watched a fun video to practice pronunciation. I also added 5 new words to my journal: meet, from, name, country, and nice. I feel more confident. Don't worry about making mistakes. The goal is to get comfortable expressing yourself in English. Sample Day 2. Schedule. Start by spending 10 minutes practicing common greetings like, "Hi, how are you?" and "Good morning." Say them out loud and try different tones to build confidence. Next, take 15 minutes to learn 5 conversational phrases such as, "What's your name?" and "Where are you from?" Repeat them aloud and try using them together. Then dedicate 15 minutes to role-playing a conversation. If you have a partner, practice with them. If not, play both parts yourself. After that, spend 15 minutes watching a short English video. Repeat what the speakers say to practice pronunciation and rhythm. For the next 10 minutes, add 5 new words to your vocabulary journal. Write the word, its meaning, a sentence, and maybe draw a picture. Finally, take 10 minutes to write a short diary entry in English about what you learned today. Ending note for Day 2. You've completed Day 2. Great job. Today you practiced real-life conversations, learned simple phrases, and grew more confident speaking English. Remember, every small step you take brings you closer to your goal. Keep practicing and enjoying the journey. Tomorrow we'll continue with more fun and practical activities to build your English skills. You're doing amazing, and I can't wait to see you on day 3. If you're proud of what you learned today, share your favorite phrase or word in the comments below. Let's celebrate your progress together